Sec, kasali dun sa hanggang sa June dapat makatapos din. Malagyan na yun ng, lagyan na din doon ng ano yung plano.
Hindi ko alam yung sinasabi mo eh. But,
Yung sa Manama River sa
but,
baba.
but kailangan lahat ng nasira, kailangan i-restore natin.
Mayor, wala po kami ang statement galing sa inyo. Since pangatlong visit na po na sa kayo, baka po pwede mabigyan nyo ng context kung ano.
That I just want to make an important announcement from the president din ito. He asked me to assure governor and all the mayors of Cebu. The president has already approved a total of 4 billion pesos for the reconstruction since the time na magka-earthquake and Pino and others. So kasama dito yung reconstruction ng schools, ng roads and bridges, and public buildings, and also the repair and reconstruction of all the damaged flood control structures. Plus, a feasibility study for the Mananga River Basin. So, lahat yan total 4 billion over and above ito sa 2026 budget. No? And even the 2027 budget. So, I'm here to announce that the President has already approved this and talagang ito yung commitment ni Presidente nung pumunta siya dito and ngayon talagang bubuhusan na natin itong pontong ito para maayos natin lahat before the rainy season.
Pino, I was promised, so now he came here and announced, and I wasn't even aware of that.
I'm working already.
Yeah, my gosh, thank you so much. Hindi tayo pinabayaan ng national agency and of course Malacanang and the president. Please extend Sec my full thanks. So I am really a loss of a word and really overwhelmed by the help that they're sending to us. Thank you very much. And Mayor, thank you also for doing the groundwork, no? Kasi hindi ito mahirap gagawin pag wala tayong mayor is very proactive in doing the groundwork also together with DPWH. Sec, maraming salamat. Gusto kita halikan.
It's our job to go. No, but I think the important is speed. Kailangan paspas ito. Kasi kanina nga kinakausap ko yung regional director natin. Kailangan talaga the work needs to be fast because by in 2.5 months, mag-ulan na naman. No, so we really have to do it fast. Paspasan talaga tayo.
So may timeline na, Sec? Yung sinabi na 4 billion, kailan sisimula?
We have to finish everything before the rainy season starts. Lahat naman, marami naman dito nagsimula na right after the calamities. But the funding is now very clear. It's total 4 billion, even more than what was initially committed by the President.
Sec, how pa din sa Cebu City po, yung sa Bakayan po sa Cebu City, kasi nasabi mo lang po sa Kutkot, Paknaan, Mandawi, at saka sa Liloan.
I think yung sa Bakayan, kasama din sa Butuanon River System yon. So, kasama din yun. Kasama din. In fact, I think we're going to Bakayan also today. Sa lahat ng RDs natin, sa RD natin at sa lahat ng district engineers natin, paspas. Kung kayang 24/7 yung trabaho dito, 24/7 tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang kasi pag umulan na naman, mahirap na mag-construction. So kailangan talaga tapusin.
Thank you, RD. It's been doing a good job. Part of the secretary. So we are working with DSOD also and DENR. And of course, Mayor is also looking for properties kung saan namin pwede ma-relocate. But he has the support of the provincial government and the national government. So, thank you so much.
Sorry,
yung budget namin para sa amin.
Dito, magkano to, RD?
Actually, ma'am, yan, part na yan ng contractor na nag-repair sila.
So, walang gastos? Wala sa atin.
Wala.
So, parang repair na talaga?
Repair lang sila.